You know, it's interesting that you bring that up because we heard that quite a bit at this particular courthouse right there in Culleton County with Alec Murdaugh. And that's what the viewers are talking about right now. And, you know, she alluded to this, that this is how she was going to attack this case in opening statement, saying, you know Culleton County, you're a resident here, you understand the culture. So she's diving into that.
Yeah, 100%, and that's what she has to do. Because at the end of the day, eventually, the recorded statement, how else can you phrase it as a defense attorney other than, this is wrong, my client was wrong, this was basically put together. And by the way, we're going to get to this, but kudos to the detective that asked the daughter to be excused from the room, because if the daughter was in the room, then this defense attorney would have a I know we haven't gotten there yet, but this defense attorney would have a field day. And you're right, she alluded to it, and you know Culleton County, so this is her only playbook, and this is a very powerful playbook. And listen, I'm not going to mention names of other cases, but this has worked before many, many, many times, and it works for a reason, because sometimes it's correct. But even when it's not correct, as a defense attorney, you have to argue. They tell you in law school, if you have the law on your side, argue the law. If you have the facts, argue the facts. If you don't have anything, just argue and see what happens.
All right, Michael Jaafar, thank you for being with us this hour, and it'll be interesting to see how this case progresses.